After riding up a mountain for this view, we headed back to the hotel, packed up,
another stay done,
loaded the bikes and spent the day in Hobart. Let's get on with it.
Anyone bored of watching these batteries get tied and retied?
Unsubscribe if you are. No, please don't. Don't leave. The hardship you put me under in this.
It's not me. It's you. You're the bike man. You should have provided me with a...
Desert X.
Yeah.
Whenever you fucking corner that thing, make it a Desert X.
I did. I rode it around all the corners.
Look where you want to go, you mad one. Yeah. Alright, that's a good idea.
Here we go again. She's alive.
We're gonna stay in Hobart for 2 more nights, but we're staying in a hotel. Can't check in there till 2, so we'll just go to BCF and Anaconda, try get some sleeping bag liners and maybe some hot water bottles and stuff for camping, because it'd be a shame to carry all this camping gear around Tas and not use it. So we're just gonna kill a bit of time now, try to get prepared. We got some supplies for camping, so I sent Liz in to get herself a water bottle.
I'm gonna hang it. Yours to drive along.
Let's go. They all bugs.
Oh no. Oh my goodness. I think maybe you should go get some PPE from next door.
Think again.
I'm a safety advisor after all.
Liz's chain is getting very noisy.
Very clinking.
Yeah, so we're gonna lube it up, clean it up. Brush your teeth with that.
Yes.
It's pretty slack, I think. Chains are maintenance.
What is going on over here? Oh my gosh. That was fucking hectic.
Wasn't
I
that
did not
hectic?
approve.
It's not hectic. Do you want to go first?
Okay. Just gonna zip, 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 zip.
We're staying here for 2 nights.
Oh shit, this is steep.
Use your brakes. You might need to use your back brake to free up your right hand.
Oh shit, this is steep.
Go for it, I'll scan mine just.
I'm inserting the ticket.
Do we need to scan both?
Hmm.
Where are we going now?
I don't know, what do you reckon?
Left. Maybe up here in the corner, out of the way. Or maybe down there.
You just were trying to make me do a fucking U-turn, you cunt, you? Aren't you?
Nah, just stay there, I'll have a look around. I just want them sort of hidden in case like crackheads come in. Yeah, down here's a fucking good spot.
Yeah, I still had my little duck feet out. What are you doing now?
Go on in here, relax.
You're making me do another U-turn. That's a baby car parking spot. Did you just slip?
No. Another day, another accommodation.
Will do.
Beautiful view. Oh, we can go out. This is our accommodation for 2 nights. Changed, lubed, batteries charged, mountain climbed, well, driven. Yeah, we're just gonna get settled and
Go for a walk?
get acquainted with Hobart.
Go for a wander? Maybe go to the tourist centre and see what they recommend.
Heard it here first.
What? What
I
did they
don't know.
hear first?
Time for pints.
Gonna catch our dinner, aren't we? In the, what is it?
Irish
In the
bar.
river?
In the pub. I was told we're going to the pub now. We're on a romantic walk around the park.
Sure, yeah.
We made it. Cheers. What's that?
I look like a robber. I'm coming for your biscuits. We've been stockpiling biscuits.
Next time we get on a boat, have a guess in the comments if you think you know where we're going. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and as always, thanks for watching.